Hello everyone! Today we're diving into some legendary U-turns that even Google Maps couldn't predict in time. Just a heads up, this is for entertainment only. In real life, keep your hands steady on the wheel and your brain even steadier. Because trust me, going viral on a traffic cam is not the kind of fame you want. In the early hours of July 3rd, 2025, footballer Diogo Jota, 28 years old, and his younger brother Andre Silva, 25 years old, who plays for Pedestrian Club, were involved in a serious traffic incident on the A52 road near Zamora in northwestern Spain. According to initial reports, their car experienced a technical failure while in motion and suffered severe damage. This is a great loss for Portuguese football and fans worldwide. The Liverpool FC expressed that they are deeply saddened and shocked by the accident. On July 3 and 4, matches within the Women's Euro tournament held moments of silence to honor the memory of the two brothers. They call it a blind spot, but with a crash like this, it should be called the fell asleep at the wheel zone. Speed plus rain equals the perfect combo to turn a highway into a rice field. Lucky no one died. A reminder that getting home safe should always be the top priority. No matter how fancy the car, it won't save you from small mistakes. Driving is when your feet need to be as alert as your head. This time, not a pilot, but a free fall from the driver's seat straight onto the no driving list for being behind the wheel while not sober. Just one early morning collision was enough to send dozens of passengers into panic. They were lucky to survive, but the lesson remains. On the road, being faster doesn't always mean arriving first. Sometimes it just means arriving at the hospital sooner. One moment of yielding can save a lifetime. Staying calm doesn't mean you're not afraid. It just means you've lived long enough to know that panicking doesn't help.
Fucking idiot. What are you idiots? You fucking idiots, you got the vaccine, didn't both of you? You fucking both got the fucking vaccine and it's lost a life. Leave me alone.
Good thing only the store was damaged. Human life is still the most valuable. Thankfully, no one was injured, just the container's overconfidence in, if I can run, I'll get away, got completely crushed. Leningradskaya turned out to be anything but peaceful. One wrong turn, and the whole street fell into chaos. No injuries, but a serious wake-up call. One loose part can bring disaster for a lifetime. Nature doesn't give warnings when it strikes. These moments remind us, no place is truly safe without preparation. Can't get gas, so just take down the whole station. Bit too enthusiastic for the market, don't you think? The street in front of the house suddenly turned into a racetrack. No one wants to live next to a moving time bomb.
This is wild. Well, I'm not either. I gotta get in and dry my hair. Michelle, stay back. Michelle, stay back. No. Michelle, just stay. Oh, shit. Michelle, stay. Michelle, get Kinsley out of the car, Michelle. Get Kinsley out of the car.
Lightning reflexes. The woman dodged the car, and her milkshake dodged fate. Nobody gets paid to race death. The workplace is not an action movie set. Your distance. Don't push ahead, because sometimes one right choice in a second brings a lifetime of peace. It wasn't the water being too strong, it was us building too carelessly. Police went full bulldozer mode and Saturn Outlook took the hit. Not sure who was being chased, but Saturn definitely lost. both are at fault, but no big deal. Just a love tap between a car and a motorbike. No real damage. So this is the secret formula for making a Ford Explorer. Just add speed, chaos, and a bit of mayhem. Lexus weaved through traffic like a pro, then hugged the median for dear life. End of the show. Straight to the station with a one-way ticket. There's no such thing as a surprise accident if the warning signs were already there. The real question is, did anyone care? Curves aren't made for straight little thinking. Two Ferraris, one landed in a pool, the other burst into flames. $1 million gone with one wrong turn. A lesson for all silver haze ninjas. Don't mess with trucks, especially when they're hauling karma in the back. Overtaking without considering the consequences is the clearest sign of poor professional thinking. Driving isn't just about skills, it's also about ethics, something many forget once they're behind the wheel. The road is meant for driving, not for performing. But when the driver loses clarity, the show often ends in a hospital bed. Luckily this time, no one ended up there.
Oh, there it goes, look! There it goes! Oh, around! I knew it was going to go. Fucking hell, mate. So Neil, see if he's all right.
If a light bump sends your vehicle flying off the road, maybe it's time to review the local infrastructure. Not everyone retires to gardening. Some prefer to bump into the pace of life. The streets are playing dominoes today. Over 10 cars joined the game. Traffic is temporarily stuck, but the drama is far from over. The police are playing a real-life version of internal collision, flashing lights everywhere, yet they still crash into each other. Must be rehearsing a self-destructive chase scenario.
Going westbound Strasburg. Westbound Strasburg. Pop the roundabout, still westbound. Westbound through the roundabout. Looks like we're gonna go I-5 south.
On January 25, 2024, Thurston County deputies pursued a car thief who ran a red light and fled on I-5 at 100 miles per hour.
Westbound Maytown speeds are 80. 36, just go for a pit if you can. We're southbound case now.
Despite multiple PIT maneuvers, the suspect continued to evade capture.
Flying grapple. Port. 5-3's calling in. We're just south of Maytown on case. Yeah. Receive vehicle crash Maytown in case. Correction, we're still rolling. That's a grapple. Still rolling, flying the grapple. 50-foot bails, let the dog go. I made my grapple, bro. Grapple at 1642. Hit.
When finally stopped, he shockingly opened a bottle of vodka and took a swig before tossing it into a ditch. This was his second high-speed chase. The suspect was charged with DUI, evading police, driving with a suspended license, and multiple other violations. When a foreigner has to teach us traffic manners, maybe it's time to take a hard look at ourselves. Accidents don't just happen. They're the result of a well-organized chain of tiny mistakes lined up in sequence. Shop fronts aren't built for four-wheeled entries. Please double-check your gas and brake pedals before departure. may be a skilled driver, but nature always has the final say.
Oh my goodness.
One reckless cut, two hot heads, and someone brings jungle law into traffic court. Traffic accidents don't pick time or target, just one moment out of control and everything changes. Speed isn't the crime, lack of control is. The incident occurred in Novorossiysk when a 36-year-old driver attempted to flee after being ordered to stop by police for a traffic violation. During the pursuit, the driver caused 2 consecutive collisions. After being apprehended, he was cited for multiple offenses including refusal to take a sobriety test, failure to comply with a police order, leaving the scene of an accident, and driving without mandatory insurance.
How much money do you have?
You may afford the car, but do you have the guts to steer it right? Car theft can trigger a chain of chaos, pursuit, crash, and danger to everyone. Local security must be tightened. A surprise gift from nature, 1 ton of rock, free delivery, no warranty. The brazen theft caused nearly $50,000, 0 cents in damage, within just minutes. The entire incident was captured by surveillance cameras in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.